cha-cha, create rhythms through that rib cage. We go 2, 3, cha-cha, like a pop, like you popping your chest. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. So it's already, if you add this to a step and actually use this to create your step, your dancing is going to be much better. For example, if you add this to the cha-cha side basic, we go cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Because remember, cha-cha is a body dance, which is any other dance is a body dance. So we don't want to just doing legs, or we don't want to just only doing hips. We want to activate our body. And then when we dance, we have to observe how much action we create here. Sometimes these actions will be like a pops and will be like a rhythm. Sometimes this action is going to be much more continuous to show the continuity of the music, and you can play with that as much as you want. So let's take a couple steps. For example, we have a hip twist chasse. In cha-cha, we have step back 2, 3, cha, 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 and then we have a round de chasse 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. And our main priority will be like how much action we can create here besides doing our leg action and hip action. So for example, as we start already, before we even start, we already want to have a little bit drift, a little bit have upper body active, even before